In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the free anchor tool for Adobe After Effects. First, go to docode.fun and open the blog post for the free anchor tool. On the blog page, click the GitHub repository link. Once you're there, click the code button and select Download Zip. After the zip file is downloaded, extract it and open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find two folders. Anchor Tool CEP Extension Anchor Tool Script. These are two different methods for installing the anchor tool. Let's start with the first method. Method 1. Anchor Tool Script. Easiest method. Open the Anchor Tool Script folder. Copy the file named anchortool.jsx. Now paste it into your After Effects Script UI Panels folder. Now restart Adobe After Effects. After restarting, go to Window anchortool.jsx, click it to open the panel. The anchor tool is now installed. Let's test it. I'll create a square and a circle, select both layers, and use the anchor tool. As you can see, it's working perfectly. Let's also rotate the layers to verify that the anchor points are being adjusted correctly. Everything works as expected. However, this script version is not responsive. So let's move on to the second installation method. Method 2. Open the Anchor Tool CEP Extension folder. For this, first we need to identify our After Effects version. For this in After Effects, go to Help tab, click on About After Effects option, and my After Effects version is 2.5.2.0. Now return to the blog post and click the CEP Resources repository link. This will open Adobe's CEP Resources GitHub repository. Next, go back to the Anchor Tool repository, open the Anchor Tool CEP extension folder. Scroll down to the README preview and find the compatibility section. This section shows which version of CSInterface.js is compatible with each version of After Effects. After identifying, return to the Sources repository. I'll open the CEP_12.x folder and download CSInterface.js. Once downloaded, copy the file and paste it into the JS folder inside the Anchor Tool CEP extension directory. Next, open the CSXS folder and locate the Manifest.xml file. Open it in any code editor. Find the version line shown in this file and update it according to your After Effects version. You can find the correct CSXS version from the compatibility section in the repository README. For my version, the correct CSXS version is 12, so I'll update the manifest file accordingly. Save the file and close it. Adding the registry keys. Now we need to add a registry key to enable CEP extensions. Open Registry Editor and navigate to the location shown on the screen. Create a new key named CSXS.12. Your version number may be different depending on your After Effects version. Again, you can verify this from the compatibility section. Inside that key, create the two string values shown in the blog post. For the first value, create the string value. Set its value to 1. For the second value, create another string value. Set its value to 6. Once both values are added, close Registry Editor. Installing the extension, now go back to the downloaded files. Copy the entire Anchor Tool CEP extension folder. Navigate to C drive, then Program Files x86, then Common Files Adobe CEP and Extensions, paste the folder there. Now restart Adobe After Effects. After Effects opens, go to Window Extensions Anchor Tool, click it to open the extension panel. You can dock the panel anywhere in your workspace. Unlike the script version, this CEP extension provides a responsive panel interface. Let's test it. I'll select a few layers and move the anchor points. As you can see, everything works perfectly. And that's it. The anchor tool is now successfully installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Adobe After Effects tutorials.